Imagine that you could explore the world. Not only on your feet, which you were born to. Imagine that you could see the world from the sky. As birds use their wings, as eagles use their eyes. Like them, you could explore in different ways. So imagine that you were born for something else. Imagine that you were born to fly.
We can start right here. Push away your fear. We can know what you're truly much better. It starts right